But if I say team that deserve to win, it's Kaizer Chiefs.
Yeah, for sure.
Because they had so many ball possession first half. But though now there was lack of movement, lack of creativity, a lot of decision making are wrong. If you can't perform, this is a right time whereby raise the sound boy. Once they bring quality players, we're not going to play properly. I mean, this boy, how many chances he need? He graduated, we have development, he's from development. So there's no excuse from him. So decision making, first touch, taking players on as an attacker, be better than other players. Also Tuba. Tuba, I would say, is much better because Tuba is more of a player and I expect him, especially a player with good development. I graduated, we are it's basic. Into it's experience, that's all. Tuba and the place I understand with my coaches Tuba central gule height yakuyo. Bengs understand if he was skillful, very dynamic, I was going to space for himself. Why Mdlalisa central? Because this guy Liepo, now it's not to say it's one of the best whatever player, but he's got a good technique, he's got a height. He can head, forehead, ugambona, uyakwazi ukuheada. Une height, une technique yakwazi ukukha ibhola. Coach bekumele